Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Apple's sleep features and health, and the watch app so data is recorded. Set a realistic sleep schedule and wind down window, and make sure your watch has at least 30% battery for overnight tracking. Once done, wear the watch snugly and enable track sleep in the watch app. This activates motion and heart rate monitoring. You'll also want Do Not Disturb during sleep. This prevents interruptions and keeps sensors focused on sleep detection rather than accidental taps. Now you refine how the watch senses your sleep by verifying permissions and giving it calibration time. Allow motion and fitness and background app refresh so the watch logs movement and heart rate continuously. Enable heart rate and respiratory rate recording in health to improve sleep stage estimates. Once done, keep consistent sleep times for at least a week so the algorithm adapts to your patterns. Make sure sleep mode and silent alarms are set. This ensures tracking runs unobstructed. Finish by reviewing your nightly summaries in the Health app and the Sleep section to see total sleep, sleep stages, and trends over time. If you notice missing nights or wildly inaccurate readings, restart the watch and phone, update watchOS, and repair the devices to rebuild connections. When problems persist, try a firmer band or different band material. Loose fit or sensor blockage often causes errors. If nothing works, temporarily enable wrist detection and rerun a few nights to verify whether the sensor placement was the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.